Hey traders, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and verify your IC Markets account step by step, clear, simple, and beginner friendly. Before you begin, check the description for official links to IC Markets, Fusion Markets, Exness, and Bybit. Always make sure you're on the real site to avoid scams. First, click the official IC Markets link. Fill in your country, first and last name, email, and phone number. Then click Continue. Next, choose your account type. Select individual or Islamic if you want. Enter your date of birth and address, city, state, postal code. Then click Continue. Now, select your trading platform, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader. Choose your account type and base currency, usually USD, then Continue. Set your security question and answer. Provide a question and answer that you remember well. This is important if you need to recover your account. Now click on this link that you have received in your email. Now provide employment details, income, and trading experience. Confirm you understand trading risks and submit. For verification, upload your ID document, passport, driver's license, or national ID, and proof of residence like a utility bill. Finally, you can open a demo or live account. Set your leverage and initial deposit, then start trading. For deposits and withdrawals, IC Markets supports bank transfers, credit cards, Skrill, Neteller, and crypto. Withdrawals processed same day if requested before 12 p.m. AEST. You can download the trading platform you want to trade from here. And that's it. You're all set to start trading on IC Markets. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more trading guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the description for official links and account setup videos for Fusion Markets, Exness, and Bybit too. Thanks for watching and happy trading.